Oh, oh, Tesla! Oh, Tesla! Oh, Tesla stock! Oh, yeah! Welcome back to Strongman Personal Finance. Today, we're going to talk about Tesla's earnings. Because, yes, I actually look at financial statements. You can't do that, Sean Man. You just gotta listen to Solving the Truck Stop Problem, Jeremy LaFoo and just buy Tesla and chicken butt crack. Yes, Tesla, the most amazing car company in the entire world, just posted their third quarter's earnings. Now, here's the funny thing, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna say this over and over and over and over and over and over and over again. Tesla is massively overvalued. I don't care what analysts say. I don't care if the stock keeps going up. I don't give a crap. Tesla is massively overvalued. Why? Because my fundamental thesis is it's a freaking car company. Okay? I know you clowns out there. Yeah, the energy storage, solar. It's a car company. And I'm going to prove it to you. So, we have a car company that is currently trading at a stock price of $860 per share. And it's been up 32% over the last month. Tesla's market cap is $857 billion freaking dollars with a price earnings ratio of 450. So stupid. Anyway, Tesla's market cap is $857. And I know all you shills are going to get mad, but I'm going to do it anyway just to piss you off. I'm going to pull up the largest car company that has the most deliveries in the world. What's their market cap? 288. So, supposedly Tesla, that delivered a fraction of the vehicles that Toyota, the freaking giant, delivered, is 857 divided by 288. Worth three times more than freaking Toyota. What kind of freaking crack are you smoking? Now, a lot of you freaking shills, you come on here and you're like, well, Tesla's not just a car company. Well, let's go look at their presentation, if I can actually freaking find it. Here's Tesla's third quarter results presentation. Now, I'm going to prove to you right now that Tesla is a car company. It's as simple as this. You take the automotive revenues and you divide it by the total revenues. That percentage gives you the percentage of Tesla sales that come from cars. For Q3 2021, let's see. Automotive revenues, $12 billion divided by 13,757,000,000. 87%. Did I do that math right? 12,057 divided by 13,757. 87% of Tesla's car sales came from automobiles. You compare that to last quarter, 10 billion divided by 85%. So Tesla's share of earnings from cars, revenues from cars, has increased. It is not becoming anything other than a car company. It has always been a car company, and it is becoming more of a car company with each passing quarter, okay? I literally just did the math for you. Now, y'all think Tesla's going to take over the world and blah, 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 blah. Well, it is projected that the number of cars sold worldwide is going to be 71 million cars. What fraction of those cars do you think Tesla is going to be? A million, maybe? 1-2%, less than 2% of all car sales is going to be Tesla? You mean to tell me, even though Tesla has 1%, 1.5% of all car sales in the world, that their market cap is probably bigger than all the other car companies combined, at least the top 5 or 10. That's freaking insanity, okay? This whole thing is a freaking disaster and a joke. So, if you look at their earnings, they are a massive car company. They are only a car company. They are not anything else except a car company. They are becoming more of a car company. The average price to sales ratio for a car company is $1 when they're fully mature. The market for global car sales is 71 million cars. There's going to be 71 million cars sold. Tesla's going to get a small fraction of that. It does not make sense that Tesla's market cap is so freaking massive, okay? I don't care how many analysts raise their freaking targets. I don't care, because it's a bunch of BS. And you know what's really funny? So we checked the revenue here. Let's go look at the income statement. At the bottom, you see this weighted average shares used in computing net income per share of common stock. This tells you how many shares are being issued. So in quarter 2, 2021, there were, 971 million shares outstanding for Tesla. That went up to 998 in just one freaking quarter. So you take 998 divided by 971. That's almost a 3% increase in shares in just a quarter. So if you actually compound that out over a year, that's probably 3% times 3%. It's probably like 12, 13%, whatever dilution. That is pretty freaking massive dilution. 1 quarter's dilution, 3% almost. Over 4 quarters, that is a ton of share issuances. So Tesla's revenues are going up, but they're also diluting the freaking crap out of you, okay? This company is a freaking joke. I'm so sick of this fanaticism and this BS. But what am I going to do? There's nothing I can do. My last argument. I don't think Tesla cars are still affordable for the average family. I don't think they are. Not in the slightest. You look at the Model 3, which is like their everyman's car. The freaking base price is $42,000. Of course, if you get a tax credit, which can always change, it goes down to $37,690. That's still pretty freaking expensive for the average family, okay? You compare that to other companies that have $20,000 cars, $15,000 cars. You can kind of see that Tesla's cars, their electric vehicles, are not made for the average man, even yet. They're made for rich, preppy, freaking East Coast, West Coast liberal douchebags that think they're liberal and amazing because they have an electric car. That's who can afford to buy a Tesla right now, okay? So you show me a Tesla car that's electric, that costs $20K, that the average person can actually afford, I'll be maybe more convinced that, it's going somewhere. But then there's going to be competition. So no, I don't think these cars are still affordable for the average man. I think it's a car company. I think the average car company's price to sales ratio, especially when they're fully mature, which Tesla will be one day, is less than 1. Okay? It's a bunch of BS. And they're diluting you. So overall, these earnings are not impressive to me. It reinforced my belief that Tesla is a car company, and it's becoming more of a car company. So you can actually get rid of all your little assumptions that it's anything other than a car company. Anyway, that's it. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about me. Have a wonderful day. Choo!